Hello, kids. Let's learn how to write alphabets. Start with A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Oops, it is wrong. Let's write again. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Oh, wrong again. Let's write it again. P. Oh, writing again wrong. This is P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. And final word is Z. Let's now learn small alphabets. Start with A. This is small A. Small B. Small C. Small D. Small E. Small F. Small G. Small H. Small I. Small J. Small K. Oh, wrong again. This is small k, a beautiful one. Small L. Small m. Small n. Small o. Small p. Small q. Small r. Small s. Small t. Small u. Small v. Small w. Small x. Small y. And small z. Very good. For more interesting videos, subscribe our channel. Thank you.